Good morning, students. I hope you all are safe and good. For grade 7, today we are going to start a new chapter in civics, an interesting topic about media, understanding media. In this chapter, you will learn a lot about media. First, we can understand what is media first. What is a media? I'll ask some question to you. What is your favorite TV program? Do you like to listen radio? Or which newspaper or magazine do you usually read? Whether you are using internet, on that what you find so useful. Did you know there is a one word that often used collectively to refer the radio, TV, newspaper, internet and several other forms of communication? The word is called media. In this chapter, you will learn more about media. Media is the plural form of the word medium and it describes various ways through which we communicate in society because media refer to all mean of communication. TV, radio and newspaper are a form of media that reaches millions of people across many countries and the world. Thus, they are called as mass media. This is about media. Next is about media and technology. Media, we know what is without the technology. It would probably be difficult to imagine our life without media, right? It is impossible to imagine our life without media. Widespread use of internet and television is a recent phenomenon. The technology that mass media use keep changing. The mass media, they are using some technologies, it will be changing. Newspaper, television and radio can reach millions of people because they use certain technologies. The newspaper and magazines are called as print media, whereas TV and radio are called as electronic media. Why these names were given to this technology and for the media? That you will learn by reading the detailed note on newspaper and magazines and about the electronic media. The different technologies that these media use have changed over the year and continue to change. Changing technology or machine making technology more modern. Changing in technology and mission making technology more modern helps media to reach more people. Changing in the technology helps the media to reach more people. But technology does more than this, right? It improves the quality of the sound, image, and everything, but technology does more than this, right? The television image that travel all over the world from the huge distance, right? Television has enabled us to think ourselves as a member of a large global world. It has made us to think we are also a member of a large global world. Television images that travel the huge distance, right? Through satellites and cable that we receive every day. This allows us to view news and entertainment channels from other part of the world, right? Most of the cartoons that you see and the televisions are mostly from Japan and United States. You can watch if you are in Chennai or Tamil Nadu or wherever you are. You may be in Jammu and Kashmir, anywhere you are in America, United States or any other place. We can see the image of the storm that has hit on the Florida in the United States. Whenever, wherever, at on which part of the world is suffering from any other thing, any cause, any news or any other distraction has happened, we can able to see the picture, we can able to see the video. Television has brought the world closer to us, right? Next, about media and money. For running media, for making these to reach the millions of people, it took lot of expenditure, right? The different technologies that mass media use are expensive. Really, it is so expensive. The technologies they used nowadays, the every day the technology, 1 year later, it is getting improved, right? Just think about the TV studio in which newsreaders sit. It has lights, cameras, sound recorders, transmission satellites, and etc. And imagine all of which cost a lot of money, right? It is not only in the television, but even in the news studio. See, it is not only the newsreader who need to be paid. That not only the newsreader they have to be paid, but even other people who helped the to put the broadcast together. The people those who are helping at the behind the screen, right? Those who are called as for the cameras, lights include, even they have to pay for the cameraman, lights, and for all other things. The recorder, the editor, everywhere, every people they will work behind the screen. They have to, even they have to pay for those people too. Technology that mass media use keeping change, and so a lot of money spent on getting the latest technologies. Due to these costs, the mass media needs a great deal of money, right? If the technology is moving forward, the media persons they also have to move forward. They have to move along with the technology to reach the people. So for that, they need they face a great deal of money. As a result, most television channel and newspapers are a part of big business houses. Media and newspapers are a part of big business houses. Mass media constantly thinking of way to make money. Clear? On that, advertisement plays a vital role, right? By advertising different things like cars, chocolates, clothes, mobile phones, etc., you must have noticed that the numbers of advertisement that you have seen while watching your favorite television shows. For example, we can say the cricket match on TV. The same advertisement are shown repeatedly between each over, and so you are often watching the same image over and over and again. As you will read this in the following chapter, advertisement are repeated, the hope that you will go out and buy what is advertised, right? It makes the people to go and get that product. So this is for today about media and democracy, and other topic we will see in the next class. Thank you and have a great day, children.